Hi everybody, so today we're going to do calculating the surface area of cubes and cuboids. Now make sure you've got a pen and a notepad to take notes, and remember to pause the video as many times as you like so you can take notes and understand the information I am going to give you. Okay, so remember to pause the video and take notes. Okay, so here we have a cube and here we have a cuboid. So a cube, all the sides on a cube are the same. So if this side is 5, every single other side will be 5. So if all the sides are the same, that means the face on a cube. So as you can see, there are 6 faces. There's one over here, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 that we can't see. So one at the back, one on the left side, and one at the bottom. Okay, so altogether 6 faces, and a cuboid is exactly the same. That has 6 faces as well. But the difference is the faces on a cube are squares and the faces on a cuboid are rectangles. Okay, so let's move on to how to find the surface area of a cube. So the first thing you do is you find the area of one face. Now if you look here, I'm going to choose this face at the front. I know one of the sides is 5, so every other side will be 5. How do I work out the area of a square? I just do length times width. So for this one, I will do 5 multiplied by 5, which gives me 25. Now the units are going to be centimeters squared. So it's going to be cm with a little tiny 2. But I can't type it up, so I'm going to write it like this. Okay? But hopefully you guys, you're very smart, you know what I mean. Okay, now the total surface area of the cube, because it has 6 faces, all I'm going to do is multiply the area of one face by 6. So total surface area equals 25 multiplied by 6, which will give me 150 centimeters squared. Okay, so this over here is your final answer. Okay, nice and easy. So work out the area of one face and then multiply by 6. Okay, pause the video guys, copy that down, take some notes, and then press play and move on. Okay, so the surface area of a cuboid. Now this one you'll have to split it up. As you can see, a cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will have to work out the area of every single face and add it together. But there's a shortcut. The front and the back are the same, the top and the bottom are the same, and the sides are the same. So once you've got the front, all you need to do is multiply it by 2 to get the front and the back. So let's do the area of the front and the back first. So if you look at the front, it's a rectangle, area of a rectangle, length times width. So all I'll do here is 8 multiplied by 9, which gives me 72 millimeters squared. So that's the front, but I'll have to multiply my answer by 2 because the front and the back are the same. So I get 144 millimeters squared. Okay, the top and the bottom now. So if you look at the bottom guys, there's a rectangle at the bottom. The length is 8 and the width is 1. So I'll do 8 multiplied by 1, which gives me 8. And then I'll multiply that by 2 because the top is the same as the bottom. They both have the same area. Okay. Now the sides, if you look at the side, the length is 1 and the width is 9, or the length is 9 and the width is 1. So area of the side will be 9 times 1, because the area of a rectangle is length times width, which is 9 millimeters squared. And I'm just going to multiply that by 2 to get 18 millimeters squared. Now I've got the area of every single face. All I need to do is add everything up. So add the front and the back, add up the top and the bottom, and then add up the sides. So 144 plus 16 plus 18, and that will give me 178 millimeters squared. Okay,